Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to insert delete symbol in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. Firstly open your Apple Keynote software, then open your Keynote presentation. Then go to the shape menu and you can see here are many category on the shape. Now go to the symbol. Here are many symbol. Now I'm find my delete symbol. Now scroll down and find it, and now we can see this is delete symbol. Now click this and insert it. Now increase the size. You can increase or decrease the symbol easily, move the symbol easily. Now I am changing the symbol color, and firstly select the symbol and you can see here are many symbol color. Now change the symbol color. Now I am add many color, more color. Now click this and you can see here are more color. Now you can see insert delete symbol in Apple Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.